Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to adjust Mazda 2 headlights, ensuring optimal visibility for safer driving. First, park your vehicle on a level surface, approximately 25 feet from a wall. Make sure your tire pressure is correct and the fuel tank is at least half full to simulate normal driving conditions. You will need a Phillips head screwdriver and a measuring tape for this task. This preparation is crucial for accurate adjustments. Now, let's find the adjustment points. Open the hood of your Mazda 2 and locate the back of each headlight assembly. You will see two distinct adjustment screws on each unit. One screw is designed to control the vertical aim of your headlight beam, moving it up or down. The second screw manages the horizontal aim, shifting the beam left or right. Understanding their functions is key to proper adjustment. Next, we will focus on vertical adjustment. With your low beams on, mark a horizontal line on the wall that matches the center height of your headlights. Using your Phillips head screwdriver, turn the vertical adjustment screw. You want the top edge of the brightest part of the headlight beam to sit slightly below this marked line. Adjust each headlight independently, ensuring both are properly aimed for optimal road illumination without blinding oncoming drivers. Finally, it's time for some crucial checks. After making your adjustments, double-check both headlights to ensure they are perfectly aligned. Then, take your Mazda 2 for a short test drive, ideally at night, to confirm that your visibility is excellent and you are not causing glare for others. Remember, if you frequently carry heavy loads, you might need to make slight adjustments. Regularly inspecting your headlight aim ensures continued safety on the road.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.